everyone, welcome to my channel KIDSPREE. Today I will speak few lines on a rainy season. Here is my chart. I love rainy season. Let's start. Here is my chart. It is good and rainy season chart. It's beautiful and freshly. Let's speak few lines on rainy season. Let's start.
KIDSPREE. Everything for kids.
Rainy season comes in June, July, August, September. We say bye-bye summer and we find some creatures like frog, snake, earthworms. And the rainy season called as monsoon. Then rainy season, it is cool and nicely and freshly. And the plants is looking green and fresh and good. We jump in the puddles and we dance in the rain and we make paper boats and we see raindrops, thunderstorm, clouds and rainbow. The rainy season helpful for farmers. We drink hot beverages like coffee and milk. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. If you like my rainy season video, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. And one thing, and follow me on Instagram. Bye bye. See you.